4 ways to be a better communicator.
So one way to do that is by mirroring.
Always.
I'll give you an example. And then the next one up, I feel like that kind of goes hand in hand with it, is matching the seller's tone.
Last one is make it about them, guys.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sales with Jay and Ron.
Yep, where we are turning script readers into pro salespeople.
Are we?
Yeah, no, we are.
There it is.
I think we are. I think
Coming from the GOAT.
Nah.
So what are we talking about today, man?
4 ways to be a better communicator.
Okay, let's jump right in. So we all want to be better at communicating. So one way to do that is by mirroring.
Always.
I'll give you an example. Hey, Ronnie.
Hey.
Tell me why you want to sell the place.
I want to sell because my parents live in Florida and they're getting older. So I'm thinking about maybe it's best if I move in with them to try to help them out. I get to save some money, things like that.
Oh, okay, so you're looking to sell. Your parents are getting older?
Yeah, my parents are getting older. Yeah, they're like 65 now. They're officially retired, and yeah, they need someone to help them. So now I'm here to help them.
Boom. You see, just by mirroring the last few words of a sentence can have them speaking more about their situation, and you can kind of find some maybe golden nuggets on why they're actually looking to sell from there instead of just hammering more questions at them.
Yeah, and guys, if like another good thing is it keeps them focused. So if they're talking about I'm getting divorced and then they mention their cat, you can be like, you're getting divorced, and it'll make them forget about the cat and go back to what you care about, which is a divorce, to see how that affects them, their buying or selling process.
For sure. And then the next one up, I feel like that kind of goes hand in hand with it, is matching the seller's tone.
Yeah, that's a very underrated one. Especially for like people that are high energy. I know me and Jagger are definitely high energy. So for the most part, we have to be able to catch right away when we hop on the phone with someone. We are normally from the Northeast, but we started buying houses in Florida, which is a way slower pace. So I remember at first,
it was
so
tough.
many people's like, son, you gotta slow down. So it took us a while to be able to match pace, right? But now I think we've got a good grasp on it. And when that person's talking slow, you have to realize that right away. And now you have to go at their pace. And you talk slow as well. Same thing. If someone's like right to business, then you go right to business. If someone wants to be more chatty about it, then you be more chatty about it, right? They're definitely going to be able to work with you better if you're able to match their pace.
Yeah, guys. See, like, pace is super important because that's the flow of the conversation. And it goes back to what we were saying before, like Ronnie's saying, the tone as well. So it really just depends on how someone's speaking to you. If they really don't seem interested in this, but they're going through the questions, half of communication is off of nonverbal and tones and all these things. You have to pick up on it. If I hear someone's like, I'm dragging them through the mud by talking about buying their house, I'm going to take a step back. Even if they didn't say, hey, I'm not saying I'm not talking to you, just by the way their tone is during the conversation, you have to be able to pick up on that, because then you can try to build more rapport, or you could take a step back and maybe finish this another day if they're just in a bad mood.
Last one is make it about them, guys. For the most part, people that sell their houses to us, they love us, but they don't. What happens is we make it all about them. Because they can't love us if they know nothing about us. The last person, Jefferson, that we closed on, I knew, for example, that her kid loved dinosaurs. So, I got them like a little dinosaur 3D book as like a thank you for working with us. And I got the daughter like a unicorn slime because I knew she liked unicorns and slime. She knew nothing about me. But that's not her job, by the way. The point I'm trying to make is a lot of us, we like to talk a lot. That's fine. We're extrovert. That's fine. But when it comes to being a salesperson, it's not about you. Make it about them. Learn everything you can about them. They don't need to know anything about you. If they ask, of course, you go for it. But you want to bring the attention right back to them. That's how you get deals.
Yeah, guys, there's nothing really else to say. That's probably the most important thing in this video.
Yep.
Just don't make it about yourself.
Yeah.
And if you want to kind of see more tactics on how to deal with communicating in sellers, you should read the book by Chris Voss, Never Split the Difference.
For sure.
Great book. We both read it, and it kind of gives you some ideas on what we're talking about.
Yeah, and if you want to watch another video on how to be a better communicator, just click right here.
Boom. Nice.